This story begins 13 billion years ago. Silicon, like other elements in the universe, is generated by nuclear fusion within stars. It is then dispersed through the universe, accumulating in the telluric planets of the solar system. But why is life on Earth based on carbon rather than silicon? Famous astrophysicist Carl Sagan wondered about the possibility of life based on silicon, who shares with carbon a very similar electronic structure. In 2016, a team of Californian scientists identified a bacteria, Rhodotermis marinus, in the hot springs of Iceland. This bacteria contains a protein known as cytochrome C, which is capable of forming bonds between carbon and silicon. In the lab, it has generated around 20 organic molecules that include silicon. On Earth, silicon combines with oxygen and with metallic elements to form not living organisms, but minerals, known as silicates. If life based on silicon exists, it's probably not on Earth that we will find it, but rather in highly exotic environments, such as the sulfuric acid clouds of Venus, or the hydrocarbon seas of Saturn's moon Titan. Does it mean that silicon is not useful for life on Earth? Not at all. Rainwater, which contains carbon dioxide, attacks silicate minerals. This reaction produces silicic acid, also known as dissolved silica, which can be absorbed by living organisms. In fact, most living organisms on our planet contain silica. In the ocean, nature uses it to protect organisms from predators and to transport light and nutrients within the cell. In 2021, a group of researchers at the European Institute for Marine Research based in France are focusing on 3 types of siliceous organisms that play a key role in the marine silica cycle. Diatoms, unicellular microalgae, are protected by siliceous organic glass structures, and through photosynthesis, they produce more than a quarter of all oxygen on Earth. They also play a key role in transporting carbon from the surface to the deep ocean. Radiolions, planktonic marine organisms with magnificent glass structures, also contribute to the silica production. Siliceous sponges are animals that grow abundantly in the coastal and deep waters. They are witnesses of the distant past when, along with radiolions, they control the production and consumption of silica in the ocean. Is the silicon cycle threatened by humankind? It is currently in equilibrium, but the retention of dissolved silica by river dams, the melting of polar ice caps, the warming of surface waters and their acidification could profoundly modify it and diminish the contribution of diatoms to the biological pump of carbon, and therefore the control of the ocean on the climate of our planet Earth.